Hello and welcome to today's video. As you can see, Princess Fatima has put her credit card to some good work. We really enjoyed the products that we got from Fortune Cookie Soap in their May box. That's the box I get it because I'm a quarterly subscriber. You can also get it monthly. And there is a link for that in my description box down below if you are interested, if you like what you see today. So, since we were enjoying the scent of the items, we decided to make use of my accumulated points and her credit card and did a little shopping. We got basically $75 worth of product for $25. One of the scents that we really enjoyed was called the Captain, and that is magnolias, wild berries, and fresh cream. And so, with keeping those scents in mind, we hunted around and we got a laundry detergent refresher set. So we have here, if you use dryer balls in your dryer instead of dryer sheets, we have a oil that can be put onto the dryer balls, and it's in that scent. And this all came as a set. The oil for the dryer balls, as well as the laundry detergent. I'm groping over here to find it. Here we go. The laundry detergent, and this is in a 14-ounce container, as well as a laundry scent booster in that same scent. And this is a 12-ounce package. So we're excited to do some laundry this summer. Also in the scent of the Captain was a foaming hand soap. And this is an 8.5-ounce container, so it should last a good while. Okay, Fatima, now don't drink that. That's a leave-in conditioner. That is in the scent Mermaid Lagoon, which is a blend of peaches, apricots, nectarines, coconut, and iced vanilla bean. And so I was enjoying the product that they sent, which was a cream for your body. So I decided to get, thank you, you're welcome, it in a leave-in conditioner. This will show up in one of our battles at a later date. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. This is a 4.2-ounce container. And I find that these big containers last a good while. We also got this product in the scent Wendy Bird, which is green apple with a tropical twist. And these comes in a set or a package of 14 toilet bombs. I can't believe you bought that one. I use a litter box. I don't use a toilet. A little TMI there. Apparently these deodorize and disinfect and sanitize. And there's two ways you can use this thing. After you flush, you can drop one in and just let it do its fizzy thing and no need to flush again. Or you can put one in and let it sit overnight and then scrub and flush in the morning. Well, it does sound intriguing. I just can't believe you bought it. So what did you see that you liked? Let us know in the comments down below, because I am a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. And just for price referencing, that laundry kit was $40. The leave-in conditioner was about $12. The hand soap was about $8. The toilet bombs were about $13. So that put us around $75 total. I had $60 worth of points that I applied to that order, so that brought us down to $14. There was tax and route protection and shipping, so that gave us a grand total. By the time you added and subtracted and added, that gave us a grand total of $24.52. I'd say we did a good shopping job. Yes, I would say so too. And there's a link in our description box down below. I don't know if it will work necessarily at the store, but it is for the box, which you can get quarterly or you can get monthly if you are interested. Thanks for watching our video today. Please consider subscribing to our channel. That's free. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know the routine. Check out that description box down below. Check out a video popping up on the screen, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.